for today's video, I wanted to show you guys some new products from Rare Beauty and specifically some new scents. So this is a PR box that I recently received, which I am always still so just grateful whenever I receive a PR box from Rare Beauty, especially as a smaller creator. But this also came in the box. Selena is looking beautiful as always, and this is where it talks about the products. So I'm gonna let you guys know all about the products, talk about the scents, and just also maybe do a demo just to let you know about these products. So also what's really fun here at the top, it's a little blank spot right here, but then it says use the Find Comfort Body and Hair Fragrance Mist to reveal image, shake mist well and spray evenly. So that is the first product right here. So this is the body mist. So this is not a new product, but this scent is a new scent for this product. So the new scent is called Feel Seen. It comes in this really pretty blue color packaging. So the packaging is the same as the other body and hair mist, but it is blue this time. This scent smells like honeydew and a crisp ocean breeze, which that just sounds really, really nice. The Find Comfort Body and Hair Fragrance Mist. This retails for $28. And again, this is the new scent, Feel Seen. This is a super fine fragrance mist. It's supposed to help with softening and also hydrating your body and hair. And it smells like honeydew and a crisp ocean breeze. As far as the fragrance notes go, it has top notes of bergamot, honeydew and pineapple, a heart of rose petals, orange blossom, jasmine, and lily of the valley. I really like lily of the valley. And then dry notes of moss and second skin musk. I wish I could send the scent through the screen. But yeah, also this mist, it does have a very fine mist, so that's really nice. So if you're into body and hair mists, then you might like this one if the scent sounds like something that you would like. So then the next product is the Find Comfort Hydrating Body Mousse to Oil. This is also in the new scent, Feel Seen. So this is a light as air mousse that transforms into a nourishing oil. It's supposed to help with instantly moisturizing and replenishing the skin with a radiant sheen. And again, it has the same scent, Feel Seen, so it smells like honeydew and a crisp ocean breeze. And the fragrance notes are all the same that I mentioned for the other one because it's the same scent. This is supposed to be like a leave-on oil, so a body oil. But something that's much more light than a regular body oil. So let me show you what this looks like. So this is in kind of like an aerosol can type of packaging. Maybe if you're not a huge fan of body oils, maybe they sometimes feel really thick on your skin, then maybe this would interest you because it's a much lighter type of product. So let me show you what this looks like on the skin. So I'm just gonna take a tiny bit. So here is that kind of moussey foam texture at the beginning, and blending it out onto the skin. As you can see, it turns into an oil, but it is a very light oil. Does not feel super oily, but yet it is nice and moisturizing, and it leaves a really pretty sheen to the skin. I don't know how well you guys can see that. And the scent, ooh, wow. That just smells like you have a perfume on. It's a strong scent, but it's very nice. So I don't know. I feel like this all over the whole body could be a little intense as far as the smell goes, but it does smell really nice. Also, if you look up close, I don't know how well you can see on camera, but it actually has little like glitter pieces, it looks like. So that's interesting. Let me put a little bit more because I want to show you, see if you can see the glitter. So we're just gonna apply a bunch more. It does look really pretty on the skin, but can you see the glitter? I feel like maybe you can only see the glitter when you look up close, which is nice because it's not like you're just gonna have chunks of glitter all over your skin, but it makes your skin look really pretty and luminous and glowy. It smells really, really nice, but yeah, I mean, it could be a strong scent if you're using it all over your body, but it's super lightweight, so if you don't like a body oil, then maybe you like something like this that is just really nice and lightweight. Lastly are the Find Comfort Lip Balms. So those are these products right here. So there are 3 shades and also 1 clear shade. So the Fine Comfort Lip Butter retails for $18. This is a daytime balm, overnight mask, and 1 petite package. This is double duty as a rich daytime balm and nourishing overnight mask. It's a cushiony, buttery texture that never feels sticky, leaves lips visibly softer, smoother, and more supple. This has hyaluronic acid butter in here. It also has shea butter in here. It also has apple seed oil, and then it also has Centella asiatica. So those are the key ingredients in this lip butter. So it is available in 4 shades, I guess technically 3 shades, and then you have a clear one as well. So I am gonna show you guys each of these. There's the shade Loved, which is described as a tea rose. It has a subtle vanilla scent. And then Friendly, it is a muted caramel with a subtle vanilla scent. Then there's Easygoing, which is clear and it's unscented. And then there's Uplifting, which is a deep cool berry, and that has a subtle vanilla scent. So there it is. If you're interested in any of these products, I will have everything listed in the description box below. If you want me to do an actual swatch video for the lip butter balms, then definitely let me know. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you're not already subscribed and you'd like to see even more content from my channel in the future, then I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.